Hey guys, this is a little video of a keyless start button that I got installed by the guys at Wired Electronic in Linden, New Jersey on my 08 STI. As I get closer to the car, you guys are going to hear the door locks open. You guys heard that? I'm going to open the door now. No keys. No keys. This is the transmitter. That blue light that you guys see there flashing, that means that there's a transmitter, a matching transmitter. You guys can see here that the ignition is blocked off. Hope you guys can see that. Here's your button. You step on the clutch, step on the brake, press the button. Cool as that. Shut it off. Make sure the foot is on the brake. Press and hold the button. Car shuts off. If you don't press on the brake and you touch the button once, your accessory comes on. You'll have your radio available. You can listen to your stereo. You press it again, your gauges will come on. Press on the brake, press on the clutch. That's it, guys. Again, thanks to Wired Electronics in Linden, New Jersey for the install, and hope you guys enjoyed this little video.